to chapter 1. What is a computer? Well, it's that black box sitting right next to your feet. And you're wondering, well, what is it got its uses? But before we start with that, let's talk about the father of the computer, Charles Babbage. 1837, this man invented a computer. He had the concept idea. And with this concept, today we have a revolutionary products. In 1837, Charles Babbage had a concept computer of the arithmetic unit. What is the arithmetic unit? An arithmetic logic unit, a flow control, and a process control. He was unable to complete it because of financial aid that was not present. His son in 1910 was able to complete this and had a working model of what today is used as just an arithmetic logic unit as a supercomputer. Supercomputers, it sounds great. Well, the computer, as you know, the black box that we spoke about, got smaller and smaller. Hi, welcome to chapter 2. This chapter is going to take over the basic operations of a computer. The computer has 5 operations. The first one, inputting, then we call storing, processing, outputting, and controlling. These 5, also known as ISPOC, is what defines a computer and how it controls all its operations. Inputting. You're wondering what is input? Well, input is anything that goes in a computer. The computer is a machine. Without input, it does not know what it needs to do. So, this is a mouse and this is a keyboard. These are your 2 major input devices. Today, you have a mouse pad which replaces a mouse. What does it do? With this information of an input device, the computer is able to understand what you need from it. Without this information, it has no idea. Welcome to chapter 3, components of a computer and hardware. What is hardware? As the name suggests, it's a hard component created of composite carbon material. When you're thinking of a diamond probably, well, a computer is like one. It's shiny, it's smart, and it's meant for you. What is hardware when you get to its more intrinsic details? It's nothing but these components that you see. Hardware is what runs a computer. It's the basic material. Holding a computer in your hand is hardware. Seeing the box, hardware. The screen, hardware. The mouse, hardware. And the keyboard. All of this is what computers are. All put together forms your personal computer. Personal computers are made of a lot of hardware, a lot of plastic. Today, a computer is also in your hand, mobile phone. But that is also all put together as hardware. Welcome to chapter 4. What's software? As the name suggests, what is software? You're thinking something soft and where? No, it doesn't work that way. Software is nothing but pieces of code and programming language put together. And how do you interact with them? Well, you as a user act on the application software on your computer, which is now put on an operating system, which is all controlled by your hardware. Well, you can see how all of that part we spoke about in chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, all coming together. The software. Software is nothing but a piece of program and code all put together in simple language, but not your language, not in English, but in machine language. Tell the computer what applications need to run. What are applications? Well, people say open the internet. What they're really saying is go to your computer, go on the desktop screen, Welcome to keyboard functions. In this topic, we're going to cover all about 104 keyboards. A keyboard is nothing but an input device. We spoke about this in chapter 2. An input device helps the computer to know what you want. Like a mouse, the keyboard is a little more complex, just not with 3 keys. The 104 keys in combination is able to give you a holistic view of what you need and tell the computer what it needs to get done. Let me introduce the keyboard a little more. Keyboards started off with a PS2, a DIN5, and today a wired, USB, and today is wireless. These 5 types of keyboards did not happen overnight. It evolved over time. Keyboards became so smart and so intuitive that today your mobile phones also have keyboards. You must have heard it, you must have seen it, the Google keyboard on your device. Hi there. Welcome to chapter 6 of the Internet. What is the Internet? Who is the Internet? And how did it form? We've covered all of these topics about your computer and it's just sitting at your place right now. Let's go and connect to the world. Internet. People say, oh, I'm going on the Internet. Are they really going? They are not. The full form for Internet is interconnected networks. What does it do? Well, it's a group of computers put all together and helping each other talk to each other through routers, through TCP IP, and moreover through simple calls called packet switching. What is packet switching? We'll get into that in a while. Now, the Internet compromised and started off in the 1960s as a defense project for the Defense of America, the DoD as they call it. They wanted to connect to their people around the world in a single network which is known as a black site.